So this car is going TUSCAN yellow by ULTRAFIT. We're gonna do a ultra cab on this, so it's gonna have some taxi cab livery on it.
Good.
I think it'd be pretty cool. We'll see.
Hey, it's Misa with OCDetailing, and today we are officially introducing the Ultra Cab. Many of you have probably already seen this in our lot, or maybe just rolling around Fremont. This is Joe's Model Y that we did in ULTRAFIT's XP Retro Tuscan Yellow, and we actually decked it out with some fully custom decals. Starting over here, Joe thought it would be really funny to actually make this like a taxi cab, but it actually became a vision that people love, and once we get it so that it can actually take customers to and fro OCDetailing without a driver, he's gonna love it even more because we're not gonna be paying for all of those Uber bills. But, so let's take a look at some of these decals. So starting just at the checkered pattern down here, Joe actually wanted to do this so that we printed it on some clear vinyl, put it here with this faded effect because he wanted it to look like the vehicle's been doing burnouts all day. So that's why we got that. We've also got the ULTRAFIT logo, of course, and we actually have the ULTRAFIT logo embossed in the handles as well. But let's talk about some of these decals. So let's start with here. Right here, we've got it's actually an installer hailing a taxi. You can see with the squeegee and then a spray bottle right there. And it's probably Hugo, because if you know anything about Hugo, he is always working. He's always got one of those in his hand. We also have the number 88 over here. What does that mean, you might ask? 88 is actually the combined age of Joe and all of his immediate family members. So we've got Joe plus his wife Masha and then his two kids, Emily and Thomas. But much to Joe's dismay, adding up all of your immediate family's ages does not actually qualify you for senior citizen benefits. So unfortunately, none of that, no handicap spot for Joe. And then, of course, there are 5 rules when riding in the ULTRAFIT taxi cab. Number 1, and all of these actually correspond to one of the 5 people that have been with OCD the longest. We're actually breaking the first rule. This corresponds to Alex, because he's always got a camera, always doing some paparazzi stuff, so we're breaking rule number 1. Number 2, no food or drink. That is actually for Hugo, because Hugo is always doing one of 2 things, installing PPF or chowing down on some good food. And then, of course, we've got this one pertaining to Ryan. No smoking, as Joe likes to call him, a dirty smoker. None of that in the Ultra Cab. And then this one pertains to Anthony. Anthony, if you know him, he's always cooking up something in his van. He's always on the roll. None of that for the Ultra Cab. We keep that for the van. And finally, this one is for Mike. No fish, specifically sushi. I'm only slightly offended because I am Japanese, but it's okay. I'll let it slide. But no sushi in the Ultra Cab. We don't want any of that fishy smell in here. And that also applies to Mike's kids. But yeah, so this is the Ultra Cab. You probably... Wait, what?
Did Joe come over or you came over?
He said that.
Joe said that?
Yeah, he did.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Really? That's what he told me. So, of course, OCD standard, everything fully tucked and wrapped. Complete color change. I think this actually used to be the Tesla Stealth Gray. And, of course, now it's not. We also did ULTRAFIT XP graphite to smoke out Joe's taillights, and we did ULTRAFIT XP moonlight to do the headlights and the front light bar. And of course, that full ceramic coating on top of everything as well. This is the finished review of Joe's Model Y, the Ultra Cab. And if you want to do a full wrap on your Model Y, whether you want to just protect the current color or do a full color change, stop on by OCDetailing and we've got you covered. That squirrel just fell from that tree and landed on that Range Rover.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Is he alive?
I don't know. He's not doing too hot. Did you hear it?
I heard.
Yeah, that was a squirrel. He fell from the top of the eucalyptus tree and landed on top of that Range Rover. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's running.
He's okay?
I think he ran up the tree.
That was crazy. He fell from like the top. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a squirrel rescue. I'm a zoology student. This is actually what I've been trained for. That was a fox squirrel for anybody listening. But anyway, okay.